So it seems I forgot to bring some spare batteries with me. I brought the batteries with me this time around, so let me just get back to where I stopped yesterday. So let's continue part 2 of my touring of the Old Montreal. We're going to take Rue de la Commune again, and our next stop is the Notre-Dame Basilica, la Basilique Notre-Dame.
Continue on Rue Commune for 800 meters.
Well, I wasn't able to see the Notre-Dame Basilica because directions kind of messed me up. Some of these streets have changed directions and all that stuff, so we'll see it another time. So what I'm gonna try to do at this point, if it allows me, is to end up on Rue Saint-Paul. This is a bit of a confusion as to what I'm supposed to take as a street here. It keeps telling me to use the wrong street to get there. I don't know what's going on. So let's make a right here on Barry. And a right here on Saint Paul. We're gonna see part of the other side of the Bon Secours market. And I cannot continue on Saint Paul, so I have to turn left. Because it's pedestrianized. Of course it is. Of course it is. So I'm actually gonna stop somewhere, cancel out the trips, and make my way to a new location. So we're going to stay on Rue de la Commune. We're going to be exiting Old Montreal. We're still kind of in the old port of Montreal area. Here's the archaeological museum again, Pointe-à-Calière. And I'm going to head to a dead end. I'm going to take a small break, and then we will go on top of Mont Royal and get a view of Montreal. You know, start the season with a view of Montreal. Let's make a left here on Duke.
Take the next left onto Rue Commune, then turn left.
Let's make a left here again.
Take the next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
And this is my dead end.
You have arrived.
Which is actually a parking lot. It's not a street. Well, I think it actually has a street name, but whatever. So I'm just gonna park myself on the edge there, take a break and stretch. I'll see everyone in a few seconds. Take care. Welcome back, everyone. I'm during my break I encountered this random guy, and here's a look at my electric moped. It's a NIU NQi GTS. But at the same time, here's this guy's bike. It's an electric motocross bike. It qualifies as a scooter, as a moped. So he's not allowed on the highways, but it's a TINBOT. It's a 2021 model. Gonna hide his license plate. It's an ES1-X Pro. It looks pretty nice. So that's it. I will continue my small break, chit chat with the guy, and let me get a front view of it instead. There we are, side by side. It's a very nice bike. So I'll see you again in a few seconds. Oh, it was a fun happenstance. The guy wasn't sure if he wanted to ride his bike back home, and now that he's seen mine, he's like, yep, I'm gonna ride my bike back home. So let's head to a viewpoint, Myinstants, and take a look at Montreal from on top of the mountain. So that was it for today. And I hope you liked this two-parter video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Je vous souhaite une bonne journée. Stay safe on the roads. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!